What does a succession requiring an administration usually look like? Attorney Gordon Crawford explains. Many common situations require that an administration of the succession be used. If there is an ongoing business to run and you have payrolls to take care of, orders to fill, debts to pay, and regular monthly obligations, there may not be enough cash in the succession to pay all these debts. If you don't have the cash to pay for these things, then there are certain matters that you've got to get court approval for to raise money to put in the succession, so that it can be completed before the succession gets involved in litigation. Instead of trying to do a simple succession, when you have a cash flow problem, you've got to do an administration of the succession. The next common complication is when a young father or young mother dies, and we have a minor as one of the successors to the estate. When there's a minor involved, that triggers multiple legal requirements. You're going to have to deal with other types of legal proceedings, plus an administration of the succession. Another complication can occur when one of the successors cannot be located, or will not agree to join as a petitioner in the opening of the succession. The law requires that in order to do the estate succession, you must have all successors involved, especially in regard to simple, uncomplicated succession. Frequently, a surviving spouse of the deceased combined with children from a previous marriage creates problems. Also common are disagreements about the interpretation of the language of the provisions in the will. As much as attorneys try to craft exact language in the wills that they draft, words mean different things to different people. When the estate involves sizable assets plus several of these complicating factors, you then have a controversy. It becomes a complicated matter, requiring more work for the attorney and more money to complete the succession. The judge gets involved, and you must have an administration of the estate or succession. If you or a loved one have been injured, you need someone who is experienced at protecting your rights and is dedicated to helping you stay informed through this difficult time.